Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limbomralo. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at for the Patriot Premiership clash between TS Galaxy versus the Natal Rich Boys. The game as of two just concluded with a scoreline of 1-0 in favor of Natal Rich Boys, walking away with maximum points here at Mbombela Stadium, meaning that TS Galaxy lose continues now. And now I'm joined by a fan of Mbombela Stadium. Greetings to Naya Milana. 3 points uhambile la ekhaya akusikuhle ntoni.
Yeah, angajabuli vele kakhulu. Kuningi lokukhona. For a purpose ukuthi ba keep my records. I was the first fan. Ngicollector ma fan. The problem lebe nginayo mina ngeteam ukuthi ihambe yodlala ama game le ngabatshela ngathi mina management ingadlala ama game lekutheni. But I'm here, I'm back. So ngeteam yami lenye le
Yeah.
Yebo ntankisana. Sibeka win itolo. Sijabulile. So ngithe kuto support team yami lesi2 le ibita ukuthi TS Galaxy. So kuningi lekufuneka kulungiswa lapha.
Honest batshela.
Lokuningi ukuthi i-game management angathi ayikho kahle yabo.
Yeah.
Uto blame coach, blame player, blame blame wrong, but it's a collective thing. So kufanele sibe ne winning mentality. So now udlala ibhola kune game management. Yabona le bayithi game management.
Yeah, ngiyibona.
Yeah, yeleka kithi kakhulu. So we need to do that. Sina ama players phelele. So i-game management ihamba isuka from management ye coach. Coach naye uza save emsebenzini wakhe. Unasase emsebenzini wakhe serious.
Yeah.
Kunama player lawathembako.
Yeah.
But it looks like ukuthi lawathembako akamsebenzeli. So akende something. Yabona i-fan base balekini. Lama fan buka ama-fan kuthathini and lokho kutokusida. Buka onke ama-team lakhona bosheza achieve u1 bani.
Mtsheleni ulalele mtsheleni into lalela.
Ngilalele ukuthi awuwe ama-fan base thathini. Asikajabulanga vele mina. Uyabona namuhla?
Sure.
Ngimayinasa konke le ngibuya kuwo njengoba ngitshela ukuthi I'm the first fan kahle kahle. On record.
Yeah.
Ne president nani before ma president benginami.
Yeah.
Bekina Vincent. Funa bakwathi sengibuyini.
Sure.
Ngothenga ijezi ngigcoke lona inyalo vele team yami la. So lokukhona ukuthi asilungiseni. Lesikhala ngako ma fan abalekile ma fan because ngiyela in the team kunebantu labashaya ama drum plates. Bashaya ama drum plates ukuze kuphela igame. So ma to support the team that I love.
Yeah.
Yabona ngiyayithanda le team kakhulu ngifika nyala ngisesenyowani ngiyibonisa sadlala la kulama promotion yafika la ya slack, but now they are playing. We've got all the quality players that we need now.
Sure.
Nyalo ngisesha something because ngizama ngena kule management ngizama ukuthola ama sponsors and ngidowathola.
Sure.
Why? Ngidowathola ngoba ngiyala bayadlala abafana. They deserve to be paid more. They deserve to be recognized. Le ngikhala ngako mina kulo wathini?
Ku-APC Mthip.
Ngibona ngathi akuna security kahle, akuna PSL. Mhlambe if you find any independent lo sponsor. Lesto sponsor le league yethu ukuthi sinakekelwe ba record ama game whatever. We are professional, bro. This abona ilo NFT ngiyayibona mara le league lesikuyo nyana. It's very tough.
Kakhulu
Morocco ukhona.
Sure.
Ubone ukuthi la kunenkinga la.
Sure.
So ufuna balungise lapha.
Sure.
You need to fix this league because it's very professional.
Sure, Dunam.
Hambo check Real Madrid, very professional. Hambo check ama team lamaningi, Bolivar Brothers nani. Check netankizana. Ukela onke ama game.
Sure.
You will come back and testify. Next time you interview wena.
Dunam.
Yeah, imnandle league le.
Sure.
Mara ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi next season.
Sure.
Itankisana. Toba NFT.
Dunam ngiyabonga.
The way ngiyibona ngakhona. NFT.
Ngiyabonga Dunam isikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga namfethu.